Decluttering can be emotionally draining. Breaking it up into small pieces, though, can make it feel more manageable. And trust me, when you tackle just one part at a time, it's so much easier to make progress and feel less overwhelmed. Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love how I feel after decluttering something. Today I'm going to show you how I tackled my messy warranty folder, so let's dive in. As you can see, this warranty folder has gotten so thick that I can barely pull it out of the filing cabinet. I got it out after a few tries and put it on the island in the kitchen and started going through it. Some of the things were easy to toss, like the warranty for a grill we no longer have, or for a vacuum that broke years ago, but then I stumbled across a few surprises. I found some laundry soap and a freezer cleaning tool that was hiding in there. Then I had a thought. What if I can find all this warranty information online? So I took one of the thickest booklets, typed the model number into Google, and sure enough, I found the same instructions in a digital format. That made it easy to let go of even more. I ripped off the first page of the manuals, which had the important details like the make and model number, and I recycled the rest. If I need to refer to any of the manuals in the future, I'll just look up the instructions online. I don't need to keep all these bulky books around anymore, especially when I can easily find them digitally. This process was fast and easy, and it made a big difference. When was the last time you checked your warranty folder? Take 15 minutes to go through yours today. Like me, you probably have some manuals for appliances that you don't have anymore. It feels amazing to get rid of things you don't need. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. If you found this helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more organizing tips and homemaking hacks like this.